Oh, wow, such a nice day out. Thanks for agreeing to come with me to the park, Brittany.
You begged me to come with you until you cried. A lot. It was embarrassing. Also, I'm not entirely convinced that you don't have syphilis.
Well, now hold on. I got medication for it. So now the demonic hallucinations that haunted my dreams and decision-making, gone for good.
Gross.
Now, my lady, are you ready for the date of your life?
Whatever. Let's just get this over with.
Sure!
Bless you.
Thank you, my darling.
Don't call me that.
Sure!
Steve, are you sick? I swear to God, if you give me
No,
COVID...
no, it's just allergy season. Damn you, trees! Damn you to hell! How dare you ruin my date with Brittany!
Dude, we're in a park. Of course there are going to be trees.
Psst. Hey, over here. Who said that?
Who said what?
Steve, it's me, the tree. One moment, my darling.
Oh man, I really need your help.
Dude, what the hell? I'm on a date with the hottest girl in school. Don't ruin this for me.
Did you take your syphilis medicine this morning?
Oh no, I forgot.
Then you did this to yourself. Now then, you see that girl tree over there?
Yeah, what about her?
Well, you see, I've been trying to release some pollen and it's just not getting over there.
Oh, that's why I've been sneezing.
Don't interrupt!
Ow!
It's rude.
Sorry.
Now, I need you to take this jar of my pollen over there and help her, you know, pollinate.
Well, now hold on. Isn't pollen just like tree semen?
Yes.
Ew! So you've just been
Jacking off this whole time? Yes. Yes, I have. And if you don't help me get that jar over to her, I'm gonna shove so much pollen up your nose, you'll be sneezing babies until next semester.
Jeez, fine.
What's that?
Oh, it's semen.
What?
I mean tree semen.
What?
I mean pollen. That tree over there wants me to take this to the girl tree to help her pollinate, or else he's gonna ruin my date by getting my nose pregnant.
Holy shit. You really are crazy.
Darling, if you don't believe me, just come with me to the girl tree and then you'll see.
Will you promise to stop calling me darling if I do?
It's a deal.
Fine. Beats watching Grimes live stream herself giving birth to another robot. Apparently.
Excuse me, ma'am? We come bearing gifts from that tree over there.
Ew, who are you losers?
Nobody.
Why can I hear that tree talk? Did you give me airborne syphilis?
Possibly.
Are you talking about that tree over there? Ah, he's been trying to get into my roots ever since we were sprouts. Hey, hi little dick. I don't want to pollinate with you.
Aw, come on, baby. I know you're all tree bark and no bite, but we're still good together. Now, let this kid give you my gift.
Is that your goddamn pollen?
You know it, baby.
Oh, you're so disgusting. I'm calling the tree cops.
Yeah, you would. What?
Yeah, where is the son of a birch?
You'll never take me alive, get him! Ow! Ow! Ow!
Timber. Does that mean there's the possibility for a second date?
Let's say you've got a strong 38% chance.
Oh,